Hello guys, you can see that I just received $10 and 60 I just received $10.68. So you can see it on the screen here. So I received this payment from a website. If you want to learn how you can receive this type of money, $10.68, you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end. So I will show you step by step how you can make this type of money constantly every time to time. So this website will pay you weekly. So I just received my payment. You can see weekly earning. So I just received my payment on November 17, 2021, paid, and you can see everything here. So this is the payment I received on the screen here, which is $10.68 by just doing nothing. All you just need to do is to follow a very simple step. So if you want to learn this way, I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the end. So let us get started right now. So if you don't know me, my name is God's Power. As you can see, I make videos a way on how you can make money on this my YouTube channel. Any way that I've tried out, I see that it worked for me. I come to share it with you guys on this my YouTube channel. So all you just need to do, check on my YouTube channel, watch any video that you really want to use to make free money online. And if it works for you, please don't forget to leave me a comment and like this video. That is only what I want from you. So I'm not going to take a lot of your time. Let us just head right over to this website to allow you to make money online. So don't forget again, smash the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any question. So as you can see guys, this is the website which is called Timebox. Timebox is a very simple website that allows you to make free money online. So all you do on this website, you can see what you can do on this website. It's a paid to post on Facebook, paid to view funny slide shows, paid to play games, paid to install app, and paid to complete a micro job task, and paid to answer surveys. So that is what they do. So this website will pay you to do all those things that I just mentioned. So they will pay you to like video, they will pay you to post video, they will pay you to share people content on social media. So they will pay you to watch video, they will pay you to install application, they will pay you to do micro job task, which is they will tell you to do a particular instruction, they will give you what you have to do, and once you are done doing it, you send them screenshot as proof, you will get paid for just doing that. So if you scroll down here, you can see how Timebox works. So daily bonus, you can get daily bonus if you are someone who want to be active on Timebox. So you can start any instantly if you want. So I say no, it's a no approval process required for new sign up. You can just sign up in 5 seconds and start earning instantly. So referral program, they have a referral program, which is what I will show you how it works later. So you refer people to this program, say we have a referral program, so you can earn commission on everyone you refer, and any advertiser deposit they make. So weekly payment, weekly payout. So they pay you weekly. So if you are working on Timebox, they will pay you weekly. So you will not be receiving your money maybe in a month. No, you pay you. They send out their payment out every week. So they have their they have their friendly support staff, which is they have people that will support you. Like if you have any problem, you can contact Timebox customer care. They can really take uh, control and find out your problem or try to fix the problem you are passing through on Timebox. They are really fast on that. I have really contacted them and they really help me. So if you see here, it says sound too good to be true, you can just sign up and prove when you say sign up and let us prove you wrong. If you think that everything I'm talking about on this video you don't believe it, you can just sign up to see. Just sign up, try it, just try it out for just one day, try it out 5 minutes of your time, use it to try it out, and you will see if it is something you really want to be into. So what I want you to do is to do research about this website before you sign it up, before you sign up on this website, because I don't just want you to just sign up because I told you. Just made up your mind and decide if you really want to make money in this type of way. So let us keep on going. To sign up is very simple. Click on sign up button. Here you are going to enter your email, password, enter your password, accept the terms and condition, and you scroll down here, you click on sign up now. So they will sign you up and Timebox will send you a verification email. So once they send you the verification email, click on the verification email and verify your account. So once your account has been verified, come back to the sign up button. So click on sign up again. So I'm going to sign into my own account. So click on sign up, enter my password and email, accept that I'm not a robot, and click on sign me up here. So as you can see, this is the dashboard you can see on the screen. This is my earning personally, this is my referral earning, and this is the bonus I'm getting, and this is the total wallet, everything on the account. So you can see now that my account is zero, my wallet is zero because I just received my money, which is what I just showed you. And if you scroll down here, the way how I earn that money you see on the screen is by referring people. So I refer 100 people to Timebox. So that is how I earn that money. What I do, I share my content on Facebook, I share it on Twitter, share it on Instagram, like sending my link to people, and I share it too on WhatsApp. So my friends sign up, people sign up with my link, and that is how I made that money. So you already know now the first way you can use to make money with Timebox, how you can increase your earning. So how you can get your link, you can see the link will be at the sidebar here. You can see this is the link, and that is all you just need to do. Copy this link and start sharing it with your friend. Once they sign up, you are going to be making money. You can see that you will earn 15% commission on their lifetime earning of anyone you refer to Timebox, and you earn plus 50% commission on their row tab winning. So if they participate anything like they deposit money on Timebox to do advertising, because Timebox have advertising session, you can still make money from them once they anytime they deposit money by using it to advertise on Timebox, because you can still advertise on Timebox if you want to create a campaign. So that is the things you need to know about the referring session. So how you can earn money by just watching video, installing application, playing game. Click on this section that say earn, this button here. I have a sign of cash. Click on that section there. So once you click on this section, it will pop up and it will show you multiple ways that you can make money with this application or this website, which is called Timebox. So as you can see at the top here, you can see that you can make money by just watching video, completing task. You can see you can complete task here and you will get paid for just doing that. So if you scroll down here, you can see that those tasks here, they are going to pay you money for completing tasks. You can see this person is going to pay you 95 cents, 25 cents. They pay you by cent. Just 1 minute of your time, they are paying you all those money. This service is going to pay you $1, 80 cents, 8 cents, 16 cents, 24 cents. So it keeps on going again. That is how I made that money. So I told you how I make mine is by referring people to this program. That is how I made money. So if you come to this section content, so on this section, which is content slideshow, here you will find slideshows that you can watch and you will get paid for just doing it. So you can see that you can watch slideshows here. So this is only one slideshow. All you just need to do is to go and view this slideshow, and we are going to get paid this 1 cent for just doing that. Just view it in just 7 seconds or 20 seconds of viewing this slideshow. You will get paid. You will get paid this amount you can see here. So that is the things you need to do on this website by just making that concept. If you click on task session here, on this task session, you will see that you will be able to complete tasks and you are getting paid. So when you scroll down here, you can see a bunch of tasks you can complete here. 12 minutes of completing this task, you are going to get paid almost $5 rate. So view the task and go and complete the task, you are going to be making money. You can see that you can make $1.14, $1, $2, $25. You can see multiple ways and multiple earnings method you can use to make money from this website, which is Timebox. I hope you are enjoying it. I hope you are following me. So you can click on referral here. You can refer people to this program and you are getting paid. Offer wars. When you click on offer wars, you can see that you can install application from those offer wars web applications, and you are going to be making money. And you can still watch video on this website too. You can still make money. You can see that you can install all those applications from your Android, iPhone, and iPad, and you are going to be getting paid. you say, do you own any of those mobile device? Select one device you own to see their exclusive offers. So you can click on one of them here and you will start seeing their offers. I can just cancel it here, so you can see they are going to pay you a lot of points. For this is going to pay you $1.09. It's going to pay you 50 cents, and it's going to pay you 78 cents. It's going to pay you $1.12. So it keeps on going again and again and again. So that is how you can make money. If you click on any one of the websites you want to use to complete task, you are going to be making money. If you click here on Hideout TV, you will see that you can still make money by just watching video. That is all you do. That is all you do on Hideout TV. So Hideout TV will pay you to watch video. So every video you watch, they are going to pay you money. So you can start watching videos here and you are getting paid. So that is the things you need to know about this session of our words. So if you click on AliExpress here you are going to make money for shopping on AliExpress. You can see the category of the product or the product you can buy on AliExpress, and you are going to get almost 5% cashback when you shop from AliExpress. So that is the things you need to know about this website. If you want to go upgrade to premium on Timebox, you can do that, and you are going to be making your earning is going to increase to 25%. So if you start this premium, if you upgrade your Timebox account to premium, you are going to be making 25% extra of what you are earning from the time you start. You upgraded your account if you want, but I stick on the free one because why would I upgrade my account when I already make money by just referring people, and I can complete tasks and I'm making money. So that is it for this video, guys. And if you come back again, let us go to payment. Let me show you the proof again. Go to payment, and for you to see that I have really received money from this website. You can see the payment. I received, see, $10.68, and that is how much I received. And the payment was in Bitcoin and weekly earning and November 17, 2021 pay. So you can see that I received this money on my Bitcoin account. So if you don't still believe, let me show you on my Gmail account the message I received. Let me show you. So this is my Gmail account. So I just log into my Gmail account. So you can see the payment received. You can see payment sent to your payment sent. Click on this. You see Timebox payment sent. You can see the payment I just received from Timebox. So that is it, guys. You can see the payment I received from Timebox. You can see on the screen here, which you can see your Timebox payment of $10.68 has been sent. So thanks for your great work this week. Let's make next week even bigger. So you can view your payment now. You can see etc on the screen here. So you see now the proof that I received my money, which they sent into my Bitcoin account. So that is it, and I will say thank you very much if you really watch this video to this part. And don't forget again to like this video and subscribe, and don't forget to share it with your friend. And again, don't forget to check out my website, which is www.ugodspower.com, and check it out and see blog that I used to blog daily on my website. And don't forget again to follow me on iamregodspower on my social media network, which is Instagram, iamregodspower, on Facebook, iamregodspower, on Twitter, iamregodspower. I say thank you very much and peace out. See you soon. A way on how you can make money online for completely free. Bye bye.